So 7:40 this morning, before I'd even done anything, the machine already read every single client ad account, the spend, the results, any bets that it had made the previous week, and it checked every single client conversation from yesterday, and then went ahead and put it together in one brief for me to go ahead and read, with the decisions that could be made already in place, and just whatever it needed for me surfaced at the top. It already ranked which email openers had clicked and replied. So it knew who was already interested in what we had to offer, and it flagged the two ClickUp tasks that I had forgot about and was about to just let go stale, and have my team yell at me for. Forgive my drywall, we're mid-renovation here, so who cares? It's almost about noon, 11:53. I'm just now getting around to even talking about this, but I wanted to let you know that I didn't build this because I'm smart. I built it because I just have shit that kept dropping. Uh, yeah. So on the ad side of it, we run ads with our system. It's like one room within the whole house of what we do. I put it into a $27 playbook. You can go to reactive.ai/playbook. That's it. That's the pitch.